Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 trigger isn't working properly, you're likely experiencing a frustrating issue. This can happen due to wear and tear or internal damage over time. If left unaddressed, it may hinder the performance of your vacuum, making it difficult to clean effectively. Thankfully, this is a repairable issue. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger part, which you can find online or at a local repair shop. To begin the repair, ensure that your Dyson V10 is unplugged and has no battery attached. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing. Start at the base and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Once open, locate the trigger mechanism. It's generally positioned at the front of the body, accessible once the casing is removed. You may need to gently lift or pull aside some wires to gain better access. Once you have a clear view, identify the screws holding the trigger in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, taking care not to lose them. Apply a moderate amount of force but be cautious not to over-tighten. It's crucial to avoid damaging the surrounding components. Once the screws are out, gently lift the trigger out of its housing. Take your new trigger and position it in the same location as the old one. Replace the screws, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new trigger, carefully reattach any wires that were moved during the process. Now, align the casing back together, ensuring everything fits snugly. Press down around the edges to snap it closed. Once assembled, reattach the battery and test the trigger to ensure it operates smoothly. If everything works as it should, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dyson V10 trigger. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly inspect your vacuum for signs of wear and avoid applying excessive force on the trigger. Keeping your device clean and well-maintained will enhance its longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.